given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe.
What's up, guys? It's that Detail Guy Walt from the Detail Spa. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to remove pet hair. You can do this at home, at the car wash, wherever you want to do it. But we all love our furry friends, and we all love to have them in the car, but let's face it, it's a pain in the butt to get all the fur out. So I'm going to show you a couple techniques that, you know, maybe are more for detailers, and then some stuff you can use at home. So these are the tools we're going to use. We have a stiff bristle brush, we have a vortex gun, we have a standard air nozzle, and then we have a pet hair rack. Now, this pet hair rack can be picked up, they're called different things, sometimes they're called lava rocks, but they can be picked up at like Walmart or different pet stores, things like that. Also, what's not pictured is they have rubber brushes that you can use that work just as good. You do need to be careful with these if you use them on the carpet in the car because they will scratch plastic. So the first thing, it's going to cause friction. It's going to pull the hair. Now there's some landscaping gloves and things like that that'll work a little bit better, or the textured gloves, but for the purpose, I'm just going to show you, you're just going to push down and you're going to kind of pull it. And this is nice when you're doing it in the car because you can get between the cracks. You just pick it up, throw it away, and do your vacuum. So, next thing is the pet hair rock. Like I said, you gotta be careful with these, they will scratch. But these are by far my favorite. You just push. And pull the hair out of the way. Quick, easy, efficient. Sometimes you're gonna get some that's stuck. That's where your brush is gonna come in handy. It's gonna help you get it out of those little cracks. Now, safety first. So we gotta have our glasses on with our headlights. As you've seen in other videos, this spins very fast and creates a lot of motion. So as you can see, it doesn't get all of it all the time, but it's gonna get most of it. It's also gonna blow all that other debris out. If all you have is the standard air gun, you're gonna angle it. And blow like that. And the reason that you wanna try to get most of the hair before you vacuum it is it's gonna clog your vacuum filter. So once you get all the hair off to the best of your ability, there's always going to be a little bit left on there. In most cases, I shouldn't say always. You're just going to vacuum it up. So the next thing you want to do is just pat the back of it because that dander is going to be in there. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tag a friend. And please share these posts. It helps me dramatically because Facebook algorithms and YouTube algorithms, they just get all wacky and they change them. So the more reactions I get and comments and likes and shares really helps me out so I can help other people. Thank you.